You must be knowing me, right? The J students know me. My name is Ashish. I am maths faculty in Avanti Learning Centers. For new NEET students, right, you must be seeing me first time. Now, in today's presentation or today's PTM, first I will going to discuss about, just a minute. Sir, can you click on next slide or the next button? So if I talk about today's PTM, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, thank you, sir. So if I give you introduction of today's PTM, right, I'll be dividing today's PTM in first 4 different sections, right? Very first, yes, just a minute. I think the content is being loading. Yes, so this is our today's PTM, and if I talk about today's schedule, so first we are going to discuss journey of students during this pandemic year from April 2020 to January 2021. That is today. You must be knowing that we are exactly offline center here, right? Whenever majority of the all students, whenever you have taken admission, you must have thought that we are going to learn offline. We are going to learn JEE and NEET offline for whole the academic year. But due to this pandemic, you all and we all have to go on through this online study, right? You all have to learn through this online mode. We all have to teach through online mode. So I'll give you the glimpses of through the whole process is what students have done or what students have faced from April 2020 to January 2021. I will take nearly 15 to 20 minutes for this. After this, we will discuss about what are the upcoming action plan for next 1.5 month for remaining class 11, that is mid Jan to Feb end. What's next when we are going to start our class 12, and then Vishnu sir will take all the queries, right? So let us start journey of this pandemic year. If I discuss about this journey of this pandemic year, I will discuss this whole journey in this 6 different segments. I will show you the first ever class that we started in April, or particularly in March end, right? Whenever you were giving your class 10 examination and this corona pandemic and lockdown came, this was the very first class that we have taken of class 11th in end of March month, and my maths class was on 2nd April, you can see. So in the 2nd April, initially we started using Zoom. We were writing each and everything on notes. We were making PDF, then we were sharing those PDF through this Zoom, and we were teaching from this PDF. You can see here, right? With the help of this PDF, we started teaching, we started taking our classes, right? This was the very first class. I hope students remember this, right? And very first time I requested them to turn on their camera and everything. So this was very first class. If I talk about then next upcoming months, in maths, you know that it should be writing each and every steps and explaining them each and every step. Then from next 2 months, those were April and May, we have taken classes like this, right? We have arranged one setup here. I was teaching each and everything on board. This we were doing for maths and physics, right? There was one overhead mobile camera from which we were recording all the sessions, right? On the simultaneously, we were discussing each and everything with students with the help of laptop. There we were seeing chat of students. We were explaining them each and everything. We were seeing their doubts, and if they want to ask us anything that they are not understanding, or they want repetition of each and every step, that we were doing. You can see this was type of our setup. You can see this on the screen, right? Here at that lockdown time, we're not having different access to any things, either online or offline. So all things we have arranged, all the setup was, I can say, a jugaad. The setup was arranged by Vishnu sir only, so that we could take this classes for 2 months very successfully. Very nice, right? You can see this setup here. Here on this hanger we kept that mobile camera, and from laptop, that I told you that how we were arranging all these things simultaneously from 2 devices we were taking classes. Now there were few disadvantages of this method. The video recording and data required for this method was very high, right? One video of 40 minutes require 300 MB of data. So if I discuss about our whole class of 1.5 hour, right, it is going to require your nearly 600 to 700 GB of data, right? Oh, sorry, 600 to 700 MB of data, which is nearly your 0.75% of GB, right? And sometimes students were facing net issue, then we were facing net issue, right? So sometimes we were getting disconnected. So what we have done for the next 2 months, uh, in June and July, for the next June and July month, we have taken all our classes on this smart writing pad. Now all these Avanti teachers are having this smart writing pad. At that time, exactly, Vishnu sir has ordered this smart writing pad in April month itself, right? But due to lockdown, we could this arrived us till June month, right? So in June, July, our classes were like colorful, right? And you must have remembered that in July month we could have come and we have finished our quarter of the syllabus, right? And the 10th class students, whenever they are coming to 11th class students and parents, they are facing difficulty every year, right? Because here whole playground is being changed. Till class 10 students are preparing for only boards, but in class 11 they are first time seeing and feeling that what is the knowledge and what is the exam pattern of JEE or NEET, how extensive they have to read, at what level they have to read. If they will read like class 10th only, if they will practice questions like class 10th only, they are going to do nothing in JEE or NEET level examinations. So in the very first 4 month session, right, in all the exams or all the sessions were very hectic for students. In all the exams, generally students are facing low marks, right? Parents are also worrying that what will happen next, everything. So initially this 3-4 months we are going with very low pace so that all students can understand this methodology of class 11th, methodology of Avanti, methodology or change in the pattern, change of change from class 10th to class 11, that how they have to change their playground. As for example, earlier they were playing cricket, now they are playing kabaddi. So how they have to change their strategy from cricket to kabaddi. So these were our starting months. In this June July month, again we took feedback from students. We analyzed the different situations that they are facing, right? You must have remembered that, or you must be knowing that I personally interacted with many of the parents during this time, right? And after this, what we have done, let me show you the next 2 months slides. After this June July, right, in August and September we have improved drastically in our online classes. Our online classes we were taking on this black theme so that students can face very less eye strain. From now onwards all our classes are on black theme only. We purchased Zoom centrally. Earlier all our classes were on normal Zoom, right, that of 40 minutes. Now our classes are 1 hour, 2 hour. The duration is up to us, right? Whatever, generally they are of 1.5 hours, right? Sometimes for doubt solving we are taking these classes to 2 hours. To make classes more interactive, even we purchase this Kahoot centrally. Our central team is preparing Kahoot each and every day for each and every topic. At the end of every classes, this much students were playing Kahoot, right? Kahoot are nothing but okay, is my voice coming, everyone? If anytime my voice break or any fluctuation came, just type in chat box, right? Just type to me or type to everyone in meeting so that I can understand and I can repeat that sentence. You can give me one response till this point, that till Kahoot everything clear, right? I was talking about black theme and I was talking about Kahoot, that to make classes more interactive we were playing Kahoot. Okay, yes, thank you Ovish, thank you Chulika for your response. So we were playing this Kahoot, right? And after Kahoot the thing was like this, that students were asking everything that, sir, when we are going to play Kahoot, when we are going to play Kahoot. And every time if we have to finish the syllabus, every time we were telling them, just wait, let us finish the syllabus, definitely we are going to play Kahoot. So this was our classes in August and September month. Still we were thinking that now school will start, but we are not able to see the ray of hope. So we should do something more interactive or something different in our online classes to make these classes more engaging. So in October month, what we have tried, in October month we requested each and every student to turn on their camera. If you see our next classes from October month, all students kept their camera on. So by keeping their camera on, you can see this first video. So here uh, on the real time we can see what students are doing at their home. Earlier students were not able to see how teacher is teaching, teacher was not able to see what students are doing, but now during these classes we were able to see what students are doing and everything. We could include humor which was in our offline classes, that in online classes as well, that few students are eating pen during the class, few students are not sitting straight. So I enjoyed personally this type of classes more. Then even if I talk about these classes, let me show you the back slide or previous slide one more time. Let me show you those previous slides. So in this previous slides, I was talking about this October and November month, right? And October and November month, how students have turned on the camera. Even when I got feedback from parents, the parents told me that, sir, this was the best time. This was the best time when students were learning very good things, right? So this is how students were turning on their camera. Even we started using technology a little bit higher. We started using virtual background. As of now, what I am using, that is nothing but virtual background, that is green screen. Let me show you that this is green screen and different lights, right? So with the help of this, again, we have tried few more options. Let me show you my next video. Recently, we have finished their parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola. In parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola, I have given them my revision session like that. If teacher's body is implemented on screen, right? The teacher is moving like that on. These were our classes from October till today. Even in between, we are taking interactive sessions as well. This was our interactive session. Interactive sessions are taken by me, physics, chemistry, each and every classes. In those, we are hearing the students that what they are exactly facing. This academic year was new for us as well as new for them. So whatever problems they are facing, what problems they have faced, how they fought till today, and still how they are doing different things, and how we can help them to achieve all these academic goals. So these were our all glimpses of our academic classes from April 2020 to January 2021, or till today, I can say. So this was past till present. Now, what are our future plans? What is my action plan? Or what is Avanti's action plan for next January and February month? In physics, chemistry, biology, maths, almost all syllabus is covered till now of class 11th. We have finished each and every chapter. In chemistry, few chapters are left. Those are going to be finished till January end. In other subjects, from mid-January to February, if I show you the plan of our January month, from mid-January to February, we are going to see only revision and doubt solving session, right? Students have given so many examination during this whole year. If I talk about all the examinations in maths, there were nearly 10 to 20 examination. For each chapter, we are having different level of examination, boards level, then mains level, then advanced level as well, right? If I talk about JEE point of view, for NEET point of view, boards level and NEET level. So many students have given so many examinations. We are going to discuss about their queries in all this examination, and we are going to revise all this syllabus, as well as in February, in this mid-Jan to February month, we are going to revise them with the help of NCERT as well, so that they can able to understand what is the difference between their NCERT and module of what we are following for JEE or NEET. Because in February mid or February end, there will be one subjective exam in school. Before subjective exam in school, we are going to take one subjective exam here. We will check and we will guide the students that how they have to attempt this exam in school. This is our plan for January to February month. If I show you the next slide, in the next slide, now I'll tell you what are our plannings for from next week onwards, right? Next week onwards, what we are doing in class 10th and class 12th. Many of the parents, many of the students are asking that, sir, when our offline classes will start? What will be the scenario like that? Let me show you the next slide. If I tell you about offline classes, for this, we have to take permission of school and admin. Vishnu sir is taking permission from so long for class 10th and 12th, because you all know that now school has been started for class 10th and 12th. And finally, we got permission for taking test of class 12th in school on every Sunday, right? So even today as well, we have taken, from last Sunday we have started. So last Sunday and this Sunday, we have taken their major test of class 12 students in school. They are coming in computer lab for JEE students. For NEET students, we are preparing special papers and OMR sheets for students. NEET students are coming and they are giving exam as offline mode, because they have to tick on OMR. This is the pattern of NEET. And JEE students are giving and coming and giving their exam on lab. With this examination, also we are checking their notes. I was talking about this, that in the next 1.5 months or even in next 2 weeks only, we are going to finish this notebook correction and test analysis. Let me tell you about notebook correction. Till today, we have finished majority of the notebook correction of class 10, and today all notebook correction of class 12 has been finished. Few students of class 10 are all still remaining. That will be finished by I can say Monday and Tuesday. So from Wednesday onwards, your notes correction will be started, right? Let me show you the next slide. In notes correction, from Wednesday, I will call 10 students per day, right? You have to submit your notes. I will check and I will give you guidance that whatever you have written, whatever is left, how to cover your leftover portion in upcoming days or upcoming month till February end. So this we are going to start from next week, Wednesday onwards, 10 students per day. So in JEE, we are having 30 students on an approximate. So all 30 notes will be corrected on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or maximum Saturday, Sunday. So till the end of next week. We are also going to do test analysis. Let me show you this test analysis. We are guiding all the students. While today only correcting notes of your seniors, that is class 12th batch, I got this from one of your seniors, Shri Harsha's notebook. While taking their classes, right, when they were in class 11th, I have guided them that make one action plan. What is action plan? That just post your passport size photo, that paste your passport size photo and write all the marks that you are getting in your major test. If you are increasing from previous major test, your graph will increase. If your marks are decreasing from previous test, your graph will decrease. You can see how nicely Harsha has maintained. See, we are giving guidance to each and every student that please maintain all of this, but only few students are following that. So Harsha has maintained this, and how Harsha has improved drastically, it is very fine. And he is doing very good. Even when I was checking formula book, regular book, and error correction book of all the students, I was amazed, right? How majority of the students have maintained their formula book, regular book, and error correction book for maths. Definitely they are going to do good in, or they are going to perform well in their examination. So this is about our academic session, how our academic session were from April to January, how we are going to conduct February and March month. What I like to tell you that in the next 2 weeks, just or in the next week only, submit all your notes. And one thing that I like the most while during this notebook correction, I interacted with all the class 12 students personally. They discussed with me that what the problem they are facing now. That's why we are having only 1.5 month, how to proceed. These chapters are already we know, but these chapters we are facing difficulty, how to cope up with that. And I have guided all of them. So this is the what we are having of job satisfaction or anything, that is personal touch with students. So that only I will like to request you about, that for next 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or till February end, please ask your queries, please ask your doubt, whatever you are facing. And in between also we are checking test scores, and few students, if they are facing any difficulty, we were guiding them, we are calling them that if you are facing any difficulty or not. If I talk about any one student of your class only, right, there is one girl, Akshaya, in class 11th maths JEE. She joined lately. Earlier she was not able to understand that what to do, what not to do. She was not giving any exam at all. I guided her that these are the examinations. She was facing difficulty in this, or what is CBSE and what are the differences between CBSE and JEE, and what is Avanti. In Avanti is preparing us for CBSE or JEE, like that. All each and everything I explained her. You will feel amazed that in recent MT, she has scored more than 200 marks, right? So now let us come to queries and concern sessions. Now here you can ask all your queries to Vishnu sir. Vishnu sir will Vishnu sir will address all your queries. So thank you so much, all the parents and students, to listen for listening me. I have taken your 25 minutes. Now over to you, Vishnu sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Ashish sir. Thank you. Thanks for telling about what we did in last 1 year. Okay, so parents, we got some feedbacks and some queries, right? Before clarifying those, let's give me the idea about what we did in 11th, right? Because I got to know about some questions which we feel that parents are not even aware कि हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं. Okay, right? About the speed or about the syllabus completion and all those things, right? So I'll just go through what we did actually, right? और क्या कैसे हुआ, right? कैसे क्लास लिया गया, क्या हुआ, वो तो आशीष सर ने बता दिया. I'll just talk about syllabus coverage, testing कि हमने कितने टेस्ट लिए हैं, right? Reporting and all those things, right? Which was the primarily concern. Okay. Now, when you talk about the syllabus, I hope all of you know that we started in April. ठीक है. I hope सबको पता होगा कि we didn't wait for the school to reopen. We never actually wait for results and all those things. ठीक है. हम लोगों ने अप्रैल में start कर दिया. Even the things was uncertain कि कब होगा कब नहीं होगा. We started online classes. As Ashish sir said कि बहुत ज़्यादा difficulty थी. Am I audible to everyone? Tell me. Please let me know if my voice is fine or not. Right? Okay. So now अगर आप बात करते हैं 11th के syllabus की, ठीक है. So मैं हमेशा ये student से बोलते रहता हूँ. ठीक है. There's that when you talk about education, right? When you talk about class, there's two jumps. Till class 12, there are two jumps. First jump is till 8th to 9th. Okay. First jump is 8th to 9th. जहां पे लोगों को लगता है कि थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो गया है. Students might agree, जो teachers है, parents हैं, right? They will also might agree that 8th to 9th is bit difficult, right? Right, everyone? Please raise your hand if you agree. Please raise your hand if you agree. है ना? सबने ये फेस किया होगा. And जो भी लोग 9th 10th में होते हैं, we keep saying कि 9th 10th basic बहुत strong कर लो, right? We have foundation course also because 10th में आसान होगा, right? 11th comparatively asan because the second jump is 10th to 11th. 10th to 11th. Okay, this is huge jump, right? This is much like this is jump of syllabus, jump of concept, critical thinking, everything. Okay, so जो भी 11th में आता है, starting में they feel lots of pressure, right? They feel pressure, right? Concepts अच्छे समझ में नहीं आते हैं, बहुत दिक्कत होता है. That's why we start in April. That's the reason that we start early. We don't wait because सर देखिए बात वही है कि सिलेबस कंप्लीट करना और सिलेबस पढ़ाने में अलग अलग चीज होती है. ठीक है. अगर सिलेबस कंप्लीट किया जाए तो 6 महीना में हम लोग सिलेबस कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. आई कैन कंप्लीट द सिलेबस और एनीवन कैन कंप्लीट द सिलेबस इन 6 months. बट अगर पढ़ाने की बात की जाए, so it is not possible. I'll be very frank, right? I have been teaching since 10 years and I have completed whole organic in 1 month. I've completed whole physics in 6 months, right? But पढ़ाना बच्चों को समझाकर 10th to 11th in 6 months it's not possible. ठीक है. आप दिन रात भी क्यों ना पढ़ाओ, there's a capacity of student जो जितना समझ सकता है. So we basically take around 10 to 11 months, right? 10 months, right? I won't say 11 months, 10 months, right? जिसमें effective teaching around 8 month की होती है. Effective teaching around 8 month की होती है. That's why we start in April and हमारा almost Feb तक चलता है. ठीक है. Now why I'm saying you these things, right? Because many students feel that sir बहुत fast हो रहा है, बहुत slow हो रहा है and all those things, right? So recently I got some feedbacks and all, so I just want to clear those things. Now if you remember the first 5 months, right? First 5 months, right? If you see the syllabus, if you see the coverage, since I hope कि बच्चे लोग students are sitting with the parents, okay? So in first 5 months we completed around 6 to 7 chapters only 6 to 7 chapters, right? Till October, right? October mid we completed till 6 to 7 chapters in physics, right? In chemistry also around 7 chapters, in maths also around 8 chapters. Agree? Yes or no? Tell me everyone. Yes or no? This was the pace, right?
Yeah, yes, Vishnu. The same for biology also.
Okay. Yes, biology also, right? Biology also. Because we thought that starting में अगर बच्चों को slow पढ़ाया जाएगा ना तो बच्चे लोग adjust कर जाएंगे, right? Because 2-3 महीने parents जो बहुत हमेशा बात होती रहती है, right? So बच्चों को भी दिक्कत होता है समझने में, understand करने में, तो हम लोग बहुत slow चलते हैं. Starting के 4-5 months एडजस्ट होने में टाइम लगता है, इसलिए बात बच्चों के मार्क्स कम भी आए, राइट। देयर मेनी स्टूडेंट्स जो 10th में काफी अच्छा परफॉर्म किए, 90% प्लस लाए, बट स्टिल स्कोर कम आता है। सो वी नेवर बॉदर, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक। मैं डे 1 से बोल रहा हूँ कि तुम सिंगल डिजिट मार्क्स लाओ, तुम कितना ही मार्क्स लाओ, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू स्कॉल्ड, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू स्कॉल्ड एनी वन ऑफ यू गाइज, बिकॉज वी अंडरस्टैंड कि टाइम लगता है, ठीक है। स्टार्टिंग में बहुत खराब मार्क्स भी आए थे बहुत लोगों के, बहुत परेशान होते थे। सो दैट्स वन थिंग व्हिच हैपेंड। नाउ there was unfortunate incident that because of some personal issues our physics teacher Session sir has to leave. वहाँ भी थोड़ा सा misconception था, शायद miscommunication I can say between parents, I guess, right? So that was totally his personal reason because of his family, right? So I had to take over physics. Now I hope this is, I should not say this to parents, but पुराने जो parents हैं जो already जिनके बच्चे हमारे साथ स्टैंडर्ड 8 से पढ़ रहे हैं, they know that I can teach all 3 subjects and I have been teaching all 3 subjects for the past 5 years. Like यहाँ पे जब से मैं तुरंगली में हूँ, depending on situation, right, I'm always the 4th faculty, right, instead of physics, chemistry, maths, bio, सबका अलग अलग faculty होता है, but जब भी ऐसा कोई situation आता है, right, I teach the subject, right? If you remember, Shad, Owas, Aryan, and all those people might know, right? Jab every year, they, because of some issues, some teacher leave, right? That's very common. I don't think that this is a very big thing because this is very common. At least we try to retain as much as possible कि 2 साल, right? 1.5 साल, 2 साल, 3 साल बाद लोग जाएं, अगर जाना है तो personal reason, but again, right? We try to retain as much as possible, okay? And क्योंकि तुम लोगों को दिक्कत ना हो, किसी स्टूडेंट्स को दिक्कत ना हो, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम ऑलवेज द स्टैंड अप फैकल्टी, जिसको जो भी दिक्कत हो वो मैं ले लेता हूँ, राइट? सो दिस इज द क्लैरिफिकेशन फॉर द न्यू स्टूडेंट्स, न्यू पेरेंट्स, राइट, जो समझ रहे हैं कि फिजिक्स फैकल्टी नहीं, हम लोग बस काम चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं है, ठीक है, राइट? आई वाज ऑलवेज द गेस्ट फैकल्टी इन बैंगलोर फॉर फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री एंड मैथ्स, ऑल 3 सब्जेक्ट्स, ठीक है, right? And because of some constraint, we are not hiring for now because of some constraints, right? Okay, now, so before taking over physics in October, right? I took over physics in October. Okay. Now, in my day 1, right? Because most of the queries was with physics. In my day 1, बच्चे होंगे parents के साथ. In day 1, I asked the same thing, right? How slow should I teach? I asked this same thing, right? In very first class when I took over physics, okay, because we had left with 7 chapters. Okay, I could have taught with the same pace, but that would take till April to complete the syllabus. Okay, starting में बहुत slow पढ़ाते हैं, but that is not the normal pace, right? I hope all of you agree, remember this. Tell me, guys, all of you remember this, that I have clearly explained. I have spent half an hour to ask you and tell you this, that if I teach with the same pace, we will complete syllabus in April, right? सबको याद होगा? Because parents should be aware. Parents को पता होना चाहिए, है ना? Because now also I got some feedbacks कि sir और slow पढ़ाओ. So think about it, right? For us, teaching slow is not an issue, right? But the issue is not in teaching. The normal pace is 1.5 chapters per month. Now just imagine, sir, 1.5 chapter per month. This is the pace. This is the average pace, right? आप खुद कहो ना 10 महीने में 1.5 chapters, 15 chapters. On the average, there is 14 to 15 chapters in each subject. Now, do you really think that this is very fast? Just आप अपने से पूछ लो एक बार, right? Do you really think that 1.5 chapter per month, which is around 2 to 3 weeks per chapter, ठीक है, right? I'll give you the standard timeline, right? When you talk about any other peer, any other coaching institutes, right? I hope you might have gone through many people, right? Right? So this is the pace that we taught. ये pace हम लोगों ने, ये है fixed, जैसे 5 साल से same pace है, same timeline है, कभी भी इसमें changes नहीं हुआ है. Our syllabus is going to complete in the same timeline जो offline में होता. Okay. Now, how we managed? So we reduced the holidays. अगर आप लोग ध्यान दिए होंगे तो पिछले 1 साल में ना ही हम टीचर्स को छुट्टी मिली है, ना ही स्टूडेंट्स को छुट्टी मिली है, right? I hope everyone is, Ashish is like, sir, chutti bilkul nahi dete ho, right? So I cut the corners in the holidays, right? Be it summer holidays or Durga Puja holidays or Diwali holidays. Okay, we took extra classes to compensate, right? Whatever doubt solving we could. Okay, so that's the constraint that we have, right? अगर आप बोलोगे कि एक चैप्टर को एक महीना पढ़ाओ, हम लोग खुशी से पढ़ाएंगे, बट वो टाइम होना चाहिए ना. Okay, now when I took over in October, I had left with not 7, 8 chapters. 8 चैप्टर पढ़ाने बाकी थे. ठीक है, we had completed just 6 chapters because physics is something which students find very difficult. So the syllabus was lagging by 1 month when our physics teacher left, right? But still it was fine because rotation तक बहुत conceptual topics होते हैं, so it was fine. But so just think about it, right? Can you complete 8 chapters in 4 months by teaching 1 chapter per month? It's not possible at all, right? Okay, now I'll just ask you guys, what should I have done? Tell me what I should have done. As a physics faculty, forget about me, right? If anyone would have been in that place, right? If of any subject, what they would have done. Same pace se padhana is not possible, right? I hope all of you understood. है ना? And this much time, 5 months is more than enough to get adjusted with the speed. And many of the students did get adjusted with the speed, right? जो continuously class attend करते हैं, जो हमेशा timely solve करते हैं सारे homework, सारे, right? They didn't find much issues, right? So this is first issue जो बहुत लोगों में था, right? 50% of the issue was this only, ठीक है? 50% issue तो यही था, right? The speed and all those things. So I just wanted parents to let you know कि क्या हो रहा है, okay? क्या हो रहा है? Now, second thing was about the speed, right? Chapter completion का. So that was literally normal when you compare with any of the peers, and it was even slower. Okay, you can talk to your wards, right? अपने बेटे बेटी से आप पूछ सकते हो कि क्या स्पीड था क्या नहीं था, ठीक है, right? Now, there's one more thing which I request everyone, right? Please, 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 if you have time, 15-20 minutes, ठीक है, आप हमारे टीचिंग के क्लासेस देख लो एक बार. आशीष सर के देख लो, मेरे देख लो. we upload on YouTube for the students की बाद में देख सकें, right? और अंजना मैम तो लिंक भेज देती हैं. प्लीज आप 15 से 20 मिनट देखो एक बार. Why I'm saying this? Why I'm saying you to watch your spend 15-20 minutes. आपको क्या मिलेगा? Obviously आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आने वाला है, but still you will get to know that after every 5 minutes, we ask at least 5 to 6 times, समझ में आया कि नहीं? After every 5-10 minutes, we keep asking, समझ में आया कि नहीं? Okay. आप कोई भी वीडियो डाल दो, एक नहीं, आप किसी भी कोई भी डाल दो, सारा वीडियो अवेलेबल है, right? Please students reply. Is this correct or am I just making something? Is it correct? Right? After teaching each and every concept, do we ask, right, कि समझ में आया कि नहीं? Then we move, right? अगर एक भी बच्चे को डाउट होता है तो हम लोग फिर से समझाते हैं, ठीक है, right? फिर से समझाते हैं, ठीक है सर? Now I'll tell you कि issues कहाँ होते हैं, because we are here to solve the issue. We're not here to discuss कि क्या हो गया क्या नहीं हो गया. The issue is बच्चों को दिक्कत कहाँ हो रही है और कहाँ पे solution है उसका. Right now the problem is there are some students जो कभी कुछ पूछते ही नहीं है. They don't ask. They don't ask at all. Right? और आप ऑफलाइन हो या ऑनलाइन हो सर, अगर आप क्लास में बैठे हो और अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है या कोई भी दिक्कत हो रही है, अगर आप पूछोगे नहीं, राइट, सो ऑब्वियसली देयर विल बी एन इशू, राइट? देयर इज ऑलवेज एन इशू, ठीक है, राइट? अगर मैं कल को बोलूं, राइट, आई नो मेनी ऑफ द पेरेंट्स, लाइक 4-5 साल से मैं हूँ, बहुत से पेरेंट्स, अगर मैं लाइक शिल्पा मैम से बोलूं कि मैम आपने मुझे इंग्लिश कभी सिखाया नहीं अच्छे से, या मैं शिवाली मैम से बोलूं कि आपने मुझे कन्नड़ा नहीं सिखाया, राइट? Just think about it, right? If I say, right, कि शिल्पा मैम आपने मुझे कभी इंग्लिश नहीं सिखाई अच्छे से, then you must be amazed, right? कि क्या बोल रहा है, like कभी पूछा तो ही ना. You never asked, right? You never asked कि मुझे कन्नड़ा सिखाओ. You never asked कि मुझे सिखाओ या मुझे प्रॉब्लम है इसमें. Okay, I guess you are getting the point, है ना? आप लोग समझ रहे होंगे कि पॉइंट क्या है मेरा. Okay, अगर हम पूछ रहे हैं आपसे कि नहीं समझ में आया, पूछो, राइट? पूछो 10 बार 12 बार. आई विल गिव यू एग्जांपल. ओके, लास्ट क्लास का वीडियो उठा लो, लास्ट चैप्टर का वीडियो उठा लो, कभी का वीडियो उठा लो. हर टॉपिक के बाद पूछा आता है कि डाउट है पूछो, एंड समटाइम्स वी गेट सो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, राइट, इतना पूछने के बावजूद कोई नहीं पूछता है ठीक है. Now think about it, think about our situation, कि what can a teacher do, right? You see any of the doubt solving videos, ठीक है, बच्चों लोग साथ में बैठे हुए हैं, this is the issue which need to resolve, this is the biggest issue that need to be resolved from student side, okay, because ultimately students का future affect होगा, right? आप कभी YouTube से देख लोगे या कहीं से देख लोगे, but the issue will still prevail कि जब आपसे पूछा गया कि डाउट है कि नहीं तो आपने नहीं बताया, राइट? नाउ 6 months बाद अगर मान लो आपको चैप्टर में डाउट था, 6 महीने बाद अगर आप पेरेंट्स को बोलोगे कि सर मुझे इसमें समझ में नहीं आया, पेरेंट्स मान लो हमसे बात करेंगे कि सर इसको ये टॉपिक में समझ में नहीं आया, आफ्टर 6 months, जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट, राइट? फॉरगेट अबाउट मी, फॉरगेट अबाउट आशीष सर, फॉरगेट अबाउट अंजना मैम, थिंक अबाउट एनी अदर टीचर, राइट? आप लोग में से बहुत लोग शायद टीचर होंगे, 6 महीने बाद चैप्टर कंप्लीट हुए, क्या ही कर सकता है कोई? थिंक अबाउट इट, कोई कुछ कर सकता है क्या? टेल मी, कोई कुछ कर सकता है? just think about it. I think that after 6 months, right, if you are saying कि ये दिक्कत है, कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता है, okay, but still we have 1.5 months. I've spoken to most of the students, ठीक है, कि कौन-कौन चैप्टर्स वीक है, हम लोग फिर से पढ़ा देंगे एक बार, right? Okay, but the problem is still same, which is the request I want to do with every student in front of their parents, right? अगर तुम हमसे, हम लोगों से नहीं पूछ पाओगे तो किससे पूछ पाओगे? Just think about it. If you have any issues, you should ask us directly because we will clear the doubts. And I don't remember any of my teacher to scold, right? कभी भी डांटते हुए किसी को भी किसी भी डाउट में. अगर ऐसा हुआ है please let me know, okay, right? At least academic related issues, ठीक है. हाँ, कोई जोक करता है तो हम लोग मना करते हैं, obviously that we do, right? क्लास के में जब कोई कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ा रहा है, कोई कुछ रैंडम चीजें पूछता है, then we don't encourage those kind of things. But when it about doubts, we never ever scolded anyone for this, okay? So this is the request, parents, बच्चों से ये request है, please ask your doubts, right? Now second thing, this is the first request, right? I'm just here to make some request, okay, right? Second request, आप खुद सोचो सर, 11th 12th में every concept is connected, agree or not? Tell me, parents, students, in at least in chapter every concept is interconnected, हाँ या ना? Tell me, yes or no? Think about it, right? Yes. अगर मान लो आप ऐसा कर रहे हो, एक क्लास अटेंड किए, दूसरा क्लास एब्सेंट हो गया, फिर तीसरा क्लास अटेंड किए, चौथा क्लास फिर एब्सेंट हो गया, आपको कुछ समझ में आएगा क्या? आपको कुछ भी समझ में आएगा? टेल मी, आपको कुछ भी समझ में आएगा? फिर आप बोलोगे कि सर मुझे चैप्टर ही समझ में नहीं आया, मुझे चैप्टर ही समझ में नहीं आया. And this is what happening with around 10 students, right? I'm just giving a approximate number. This is what happening with around 10 students, ठीक है, जो ये problem face कर रहे हैं. Now classes might be missed because of many reasons, ठीक है, शायद इंटरनेट का इशू होगा या कुछ हो गया होगा, but we record each and every class and each and every class is uploaded, ठीक है, ताकि आपको छूटे नहीं, right? And if someone asks, we send those things. Plus, how many of you know that we have LMS के बारे में सबको पता है? शायद LMS के बारे में सबको पता है. Everyone know this LMS? What is LMS? And Avanti Gurukul app? Right? So we have these two for your assistance, जो कि हम लोग हमेशा बोलते हैं. अगर आपका कोई भी क्लास छूट रहा है, right? तो प्लीज यहाँ से 10-10 मिनट के शॉर्ट वीडियोस होते हैं, एवरी कॉन्सेप्ट, दे आर वेरी गुड वीडियोस, 10 मिनट के, इट्स नॉट दैट 1 hour वीडियो ऑन योर यूट्यूब, राइट? 10 मिनट के शॉर्ट वीडियोस, यू कैन वॉच इट, एटलीस्ट क्लास आने से पहले देख सकते हो. if anyone is doing these things, they won't feel any issues, okay? Now third thing, जो सबसे important है, right? I'm very blunt on something, right? because जो मुझे जानते हैं, they know that teaching is my passion. I'm not doing this as a job, okay, right? I'm staying here for past 6 years now, okay? So this is something which is very close to me. Now, I've already told this to students. First thing is, why you guys are paying us? Why? मतलब क्यों ही पे कर रहे हो? ठीक है, राइट? क्यों ही पे कर रहे हो? मैंने बच्चों से ऑलरेडी बोला, खान अकेडमी इज द बेस्ट. Khan Academy is the best platform to get information. To get information. Okay. Plus textbooks. Textbooks. हर चीज लिखा रहता है टेक्स्ट बुक में. Everything is there in the textbook, right? Everything is there in the textbook. Yes or no? Yes or no? Think about it. I have already told this to students, right? So अगर सिर्फ और सिर्फ इसी के लिए, right? इसी अगर सिर्फ यही होता, अगर पढ़ाना सिर्फ ये होता, right? तो सर फ्रैंकली कोई कोचिंग की जरूरत ही नहीं, मतलब कोई टीचर ही नहीं चाहिए, कोई टीचर चाहिए ही नहीं, है कि नहीं? Agree with me or not, right? अगर teaching is just giving information, then हम सब कोई जॉब चेंज कर लेना चाहिए, because that is not needed. That is not needed at all. बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है सर, ठीक है? हर जगह फ्री अवेलेबल है. This is information and knowledge is available for free. Okay, right? This is one thing which I want to say everyone, right? Khan Academy, best platform, right? I use it for other subjects, economics and all those things, right? Okay, textbooks, amazing, amazing, right? Throughout my educational journey, right? 11th level, 10th level, college level, I was relied on this textbook. I was in habit of reading books. Okay, and they are the best. Trust me on this. They are the best, right? If you talk about getting information, but what is the use of teacher? What does teacher do? Batao, what does teacher do? Tell me, everyone. Like, let it be interactive now, because this is a very crucial time, right? 11th to 12th transition. Many students feel lots of mixed emotions. कि क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, right? So parents should know, because what we felt, I'll tell you what we felt. Offline to online transitions are not favorable for everyone. We accept, right? बहुत लोगों को दिक्कत हुई है, हमें बहुत दिक्कत हुई है, right? Our health also get deteriorated, right? Okay, sorry if I'm taking too much time, right? So what do you think? Just giving information is the role of teacher, right? बहुत लोग आप लोग में से भी टीचर होंगे ना? Think about it. क्या काम सिर्फ टीचिंग करना होता है? Think about it. Yes, exactly. Very good. Thank you, Soumya. Thank you, ma'am. Guiding, right? That is what we do. Second thing is the question, why you are paying us, or why you pay anyone? Forget about us. Why you pay anyone? Why you guys are getting paid? Because of the service that you are doing, right? The time that you are spending with anyone, right? Be it your job or be it with students, right? Okay. So this is what I think my job, Ashish sir job is, right? Mentoring. Okay. कि क्या दिक्कत है, बच्चों को दिक्कत क्या है, कहाँ पे दिक्कत होती है, कहाँ पे दिक्कत नहीं होती है, क्या डाउट है, कैसे कॉन्सेप्ट बच्चा फंस रहा है. This is the issue that we tends to solve, right? And you must be thinking, what's the relation with this? ये relation क्या है? Relation is this, कि due to boom of internet and technologies and lots of techs, people are not asking doubts. They're not asking doubts, right? Except for 5-6 people, doubts नहीं पूछते हैं लोग. What they do, they Google. ठीक है, ये ट्रेंड है. How many of you agree with this? Tell me, parents. This is parents, right? ये क्वेश्चन पेरेंट्स के लिए है. आप लोग कितने लोगों को लगता है कि हाँ ये होता है? कितने लोगों को लगता है ये? They Google, right? Everyone. I've spoken to many parents. They Google, right? नहीं कुछ भी है, गूगल करना खराब बात नहीं है. I'm not saying गूगल करना खराब बात है, right? Even we do it, right? But what is the issue here? आप एक चीज बताओ, right? मान लो, I'll just give you a basic analogy, right? एक पेशेंट है ना? उसको कोई भी इश्यूज होते हैं, मान लो आपको लाइक चेस्ट पेन हुआ या कोई भी इशू हुआ, इंस्टेड ऑफ टॉकिंग टू डॉक्टर, अगर वो गूगल करके मेडिसिन खाते रहेगा तो क्या होगा? जस्ट इमेजिन, आजकल गूगल पे सब कुछ मिलता है. जस्ट इमेजिन अगर वो गूगल करके मेडिसिन खाएगा तो क्या होगा? Just think about it. That's a very basic analogy, right? Think about it. Can doctor know ever कि भाई इसको दिक्कत क्या है? क्या कभी भी डॉक्टर को पता चलेगा कि इसको दिक्कत क्या है? Just think about it, ना? will doctor know that what is the issue with this patient, right? No, I don't think so, right? I don't think so कि कभी भी डॉक्टर को पता चलेगा. And this is what happening. Okay, except for few students, I'll say 50% of students जो sincerely पूछते हैं, the remaining 50% students, they don't ask, and that is the issue. And to be very frank, sir, it's the issue with the student, right? It is not the student with the teachers. I'll be very frank in this, because आप teacher change कर लो, आप coaching change कर लो, आप school change कर लो, engineering में चला जाए, कहीं भी चला जाए, कहीं भी लाइफ में ना आपको पूछना होता है, राइट? अगर आप नहीं बोलोगे, नहीं पूछोगे, तो भगवान भी आपका हेल्प नहीं कर पाएगा. कोई भी टीचर आपके दिमाग में घुस के नहीं जानेगा ना कि हाँ आर्यन को ये डाउट है, चलो हम सॉल्व करते हैं, right? Even we try to solve all the other doubts, but these are something which is a very big issue from our side. हमें जो issue है ना वो ये है कि डाउट नहीं पूछा आता है, right? बहुत सारे आप लोगों का फीडबैक आया कि डाउट सॉल्विंग सेशन रखो एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. सर अगर आप पूछोगे ना किसी बच्चे से, हर 2 टॉपिक के बाद एक डाउट सॉल्विंग सेशन होता है. आप लेक्चर देख लो, हर टॉपिक पढ़ाने के बाद उसके रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस किए जाते हैं. We take more doubt solving sessions, if not less, right? If not more than the teaching session, right? Almost equal hota hai. I might have taken, there was many things which I wanted to do, but I could not because of the time constraint. Syllabus complete karna tha, theek hai. Iske वजह से I know what are the issues that should have taken care of, but time constraint was the issue. I'll be very frank, I'm not giving this as an excuse. Syllabus complete करना था, जिसमें से कुछ चीजें नहीं हो पाई, जैसे टेस्ट डिस्कशन, वो अभी पेंडिंग है. So I have already told students कि हम लोग टेस्ट डिस्कशन as soon as we complete syllabus from next week, we will do the test discussion, all those things. Okay, but the humble request from every parent and from every student, ask your doubts. हमसे नहीं, कहीं से भी, टीचर से हो, please डाउट पूछो. Okay. This is the main issue जो अभी हम लोग पूछ रहे हैं. Yes sir, right? That's what happens. अगर डाउट होता है तो वो नहीं पूछते, लैगिंग पोर्शन पे होता है. जैसे this is one more issue, लैग पोर्शन. हम लोग अभी सारे स्टूडेंट से बात कर रहे हैं. I'll be very frank, we are talking to each and every students. Okay, we have been doing since past 1 month. Obviously हर सबसे एक साथ बात नहीं कर सकते हैं. जिनको लिटरली इश्यूज है ना वो बताते हैं, सर हमारा ये पोर्शन लैग हो गया है, क्यों लैग हो गया है एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. बट देयर आर सम स्टूडेंट्स हु से सब कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल, राइट? जबकि हमें पता है कि प्रॉब्लम है, बट दे आर नॉट सेइंग कि प्रॉब्लम है, राइट? एंड दिस इज वन थिंग व्हिच आई कीप सेइंग टू एवरी स्टूडेंट, राइट? कि सर हम लोग आपके बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं, हम लोग आपको नहीं पढ़ाते हैं. आपके बच्चों को दिक्कत हो रहा है, उनको हमसे डायरेक्टली पूछना चाहिए. आप खुद सोचो ना, अगर बच्चा आपको बोलेगा 2-3 महीने बाद, अब आप हमें बोलोगे, क्या ही फायदा होगा? कुछ फायदा नहीं होगा ना. थिंक अबाउट इट, राइट? बिकॉज द प्रॉब्लम इज दिस ओनली, यही प्रॉब्लम है और कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ओके, राइट? सो दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम फ्रॉम आवर साइड. एंड रिगार्डिंग 2 or 3 more queries. First, offline classes. So as Ashish sir said, हम लोग अपनी से बहुत ट्राई कर रहे हैं. लाइक प्रिंसिपल सर, राइट, जब भी हमें परमिशन दे दें हम लोग कर लेंगे. देयर इज लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज, राइट? ट्रांसपोर्ट इज वन इशू एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, सो व्हिच इज नॉट इन आवर हैंड. तो जब भी हमें होगा हम आप लोग को बता देंगे. देन 12th कब स्टार्ट होगा? सो जैसा हमने बोला, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज आवर टाइमलाइन. हम लोग अपना टाइमलाइन नहीं चेंज कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज आई कैन नॉट से कि हाँ अगर बोर्ड्स में होगा तो मई के बाद स्टार्ट करेंगे, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Because next year the exam will be on this time. Exam तो time पे होगा ना next year. I hope every parent and student is aware. इस साल दिक्कत हो गया, next year तो शायद दिक्कत नहीं होगा, right? ठीक है? And it is not possible for completing the syllabus, right, before October if we start in April or May. ठीक है? हम लोग का जो होता है वो March to October होता है, right? 12th syllabus completion, right? Actually October 15 तक होता है, but I guess we will be losing 2 weeks in March because of school examination. So this is the timeline that we keep, because November, December is just for testing and revision. Okay, January में we expect that January will be exam. Okay, so this is the timeline for 12th. Okay, these were the concerns that we had. Now, there are 2-3 more things that you should know, right? Parents, as a stakeholder, I want you to know this, right? How many of you have this query कि sir आप message नहीं आता है? Because I really want to know. Message नहीं आता है test का, because I got some feedbacks like this. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे? Can you see that green thing? Right? Yes, agree, please raise your hand. Right? Now, if you see the number of tests that we have taken, these all are the messages that has been sent. आप लोगों को भेज दिया गया ये सब, ठीक है? सारे scores, जितने भी scores हैं, see, you can just see the number of tests, right? हर हफ्ते टेस्ट होता है, because this is the feedback that I got कि सर हर हफ्ते टेस्ट होना चाहिए. There is test every week, right? Okay. Now, if you see the number of tests, it's more than like 50 plus, right? 50 plus tests हुए हैं, ठीक है? Except for some advanced tests, बाकी सारे के सारे टेस्ट के मार्क्स आप लोगों को भेज दिए जाते हैं. ओके, इट इज बीइंग सेंट, ये भेज दिया गया है. जनवरी वाला बस नहीं भेजा गया है, बिकॉज अगेन वी विल वेट फॉर सम दिस मंथ एंड में हम लोग इसका भेजते हैं, राइट? बट दिस इज नॉट सेंट, राइट? ओके, सो देखो आपसे 5 टेस्ट का नहीं भेजा गया है, जिसमें से एक एडवांस टेस्ट है, बाकी सबका भेज दिया गया है. एंड दिस इज सेम फॉर नीट बैच आल्सो. आई वुड हैव शोन यू, बट this is the thing जो हम लोग करते हैं already, ठीक है? Now, I want you to show you one more thing, right? I'll just take 1 minute, sir, please 1 minute. Okay, I request every parent, because you can see the performance, the growth, everything of your child. LMS है, हम लोग मैसेज भेजते हैं अपने तरफ से, right? But you can see every, like just log in करना हो तो होता है, it will take 1 minute, right? Just think about it. ठीक है? This is something that you can see, right? If you open your LMS, right, you can see something called report card, right? For example, I'll just open this one report card for you guys. ठीक है? Now, I hope all of you can see this, right? ठीक है? Attendance, average test score, and all those things, right? Plus जितने भी टेस्ट हुए अब तक, लाइक ये तो हमारे लाइक अभिराम इज सिंस 9th, तो उसके 9 से दिखा रहा है, बट जितने भी टेस्ट हुए हैं, जितने भी टेस्ट हुए अब तक, राइट? ठीक है? सबके स्कोर्स, राइट, आपको दिख जाता है यहाँ पे, ठीक है? सबके स्कोर्स, और ये आपको मैसेज भी किया गया है. एवरीथिंग इज मैसेज, मार्क्स मैसेज किया गया, बट यू कैन सी एट ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट. Now, this is one thing. I'll just show you one more thing, right? आप लोगों को शायद पता है कि नहीं है, I don't know. बच्चे बताते हैं कि नहीं बताते हैं, but this is, everything is on your fingertip. अगर आप हमसे बोलोगे सर हमें एक एक चीज को डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा, फिर आपको मेल करना पड़ेगा, right? That is a hectic thing, and trust me, we don't have that manpower. Okay, for now we don't have that manpower, but अगर कभी भी आपको चाहिए, just message, आप मैसेज ड्रॉप कर दो, मैं भेज दूंगा, राइट? ठीक है? बिकॉज मैसेज तो जाता ही है, राइट? दिस रिपोर्ट कार्ड आई विल सेंड, बट एनीवेज यू गेट द टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस, जो कि बहुत लोग बोले हैं. नाउ देयर इज वन मोर थिंग व्हिच आई वांट टू शो यू. ओके, वन मोर थिंग, जस्ट गिव मी 1 minute. So this is what every student is able to see. ठीक है? Every student. सर हमारी तरफ से, राइट, just take this, right? I'll just take this, ठीक है? मान लो ये बैच रिपोर्ट है, राइट? सो दिस इज बैच रिपोर्ट, राइट, जो कि हमें मिलता है स्टूडेंट्स. मैं एक एग्जांपल लेता हूँ, जैसे मान लो कि मैं अनामिका का लिया, राइट? सो अनामिका's parent और अनामिका कैन सी हर डिटेल रिपोर्ट, जो कि लोग नहीं करते. ठीक है? आपको कौन स्टॉप में दिक्कत है, कौन स्टॉप में दिक्कत नहीं है, राइट? time. I'll just take okay, yeah, you can. Okay, please let me know if you can see the screen now. Please let me know if you can see the screen. Right? Can you see? See, when so this is what we provide. This is what we provide. Okay, and this is the last thing which I want to say, sir. जब भी कोई बच्चा यहाँ रुकता है ना, most of the parents know, right? We never ever, right? As our responsibility, हमारी responsibility होती है कि बच्चा अच्छा करे, जितना भी अपने हिसाब से अच्छा करे, right? And like luckily again, what is the basic definition of acha? That is relative. I personally believe कि acha is very relative. Okay, acha, the term good is very relative. अगर आप कल अगर 30% स्कोर कर रहे हो और अगर आप आज 40% स्कोर करते हो, in my sense it is good, it is improvement, right? Okay, but if you are scoring 30% and you drop down to 20%, then that is something wrong, right? You have to improve on that. ये अच्छा नहीं है. Okay, you cannot compare someone who's scoring 80%, right, and say कि नहीं इसके comparative में तो अच्छा नहीं कर रहे हैं. Okay, so this is one suggestion. Please, if you find any issues, please talk to us, right? We are there to solve, right? Okay, parents, if you have any suggestion, अगर कोई special query है, right, please let us know. The number of tests that we take in 11th is comparatively less. Be taken in 12th will be two times more than what we took in 2 times what we took in 11th, right? We will take around 30 major tests, right? Plus 90 chapter tests. So this is what we do. This is what we do in class 12th. Okay. Right? This is it. This is what I have to say, everyone. If anyone have any query, you can just unmute yourself and speak. Okay, right? Anyone? Post that, you can just message us individually. Okay, ma'am. What you want us to improve, right? What you want to implement? Tell me. Ma'am, can you be more specific, like kaise? You can just like, because when you talk about feedback system, right? First of all, I just want you guys to know, you can talk to individual teachers, right? Most of the parents जो कि हैं, हम लोग से directly बात करते रहते हैं. कोई भी issues होता है, they just talk to us directly, right? अगर कोई भी issues है, कोई भी तरह का feedback है, right? Be it anyone's parent, right? That they are always allowed to speak to any of the faculties. ठीक है? Okay, ma'am. Okay. Students improving or not? Okay. So I'll give you something that we are planning to do. Okay. Since the thing was online, बहुत कुछ नहीं हो पाया. Okay. what we I have already shown you कि हम लोग क्या क्या करते हैं. मैसेज भेजते हैं, right? Okay, now there's a LMS जहाँ पे सब कुछ रिपोर्ट होता है, everything is there, right? Okay, what else you want us to do? Because see, right, what I would suggest, right, I would suggest if possible, everyone, if possible, at least 2 वीक में एक बार आप कॉल कर लो हमें. Just call us, right? Because this I know that we should call, but एक humble सा request है आपके लिए. आपका एक बच्चा है, हमारे लिए टोटल 250 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, ठीक है? तो कभी कभी राइट नहीं हो पाता है, बिकॉज वी आर टीचर्स ऑल्सो. वी आर नॉट लाइक एलन आकाश जैसे बड़े कोचिंग नहीं है जहाँ पे एक बंदा हायर्ड किया हुआ है काउंसलिंग करने के लिए, ठीक है? दिस इज द बेस्ट थिंग यू स्पीक टू डायरेक्टली टीचर्स. 2 वीक में 3 वीक में आप कॉल करो, बिकॉज मेनी ऑफ द पेरेंट्स, आई नो मेनी पेरेंट्स who do this, right, who talk to us on a regular basis. Okay, right? Normally we keep PTM after every 4 months, right? But online में बहुत कुछ difficult हो जाता है, ठीक है? That's why we kept it after 6 months, because sir आप समझोगे नहीं, एक PTM के बाद 1 महीने लगते हैं बस बात करने में पेरेंट्स को, ठीक है? Right? So it takes time, right? So this is humble request. If there's any other suggestion you want us to do कि कैसे improve कर सकते हैं, please let us know, ठीक है? कैसे improve किया जा सकता है, right? हम लोग मैसेज भेजते हैं, LMS पे सारे रिपोर्ट्स होते हैं. ऑफलाइन, when we have offline PTM 4 महीने में एक बार होता है, ठीक है? Right? You can come to school, we can talk. Now this is just for offline, right? Online things was difficult, that's why we kept it twice. हम लोगों ने 2 बार रखा, एक बार I hope all of you remember. The reason why I filled the form because we didn't know कि कितने लोगों ने attend किया था last PTM, right? Okay, so that's the thing. Now we get to know कि कितने लोगों ने attend किया PTM, right? Okay. So if anyone have any suggestion, because again we are working for your child's benefit, right? कोई भी suggestion है, feel free to let us know. अगर possible होता है, हम लोग अपने तरफ से 100% गारंटी देते हैं, we will do this. Okay, we will do that, right? जो बच्चों को फायदा हो, जो रिजल्ट्स इंप्रूव करवाए, जो बच्चों को इंप्रूवमेंट दिलवाए, we will do it. Okay, right ma'am? Fine, is it fine ma'am? बस 2 हफ्ते 3 हफ्ते में कॉल कर लीजिए आप लोग, ठीक है? मैम अभी जैसे मैंने बोला, ठीक है? जिस देखिए मैम, पहली बात की जो कुछ टॉपिक छूट गया है, राइट? ओके, सो first suggestion would be, right, we will be talking personally, right? We will be talking personally, both students and parents, right? Okay, कि क्या issues हो रहे हैं, ठीक है? क्या issues हो रहे हैं? Because पहली बात की when you talk about teaching speed, right, वो issue है, teaching speed in issue, ठीक है? Because when you talk about teaching speed, so as I told you, क्लास में बच्चों को बोलना चाहिए. That's one thing, that is I believe, right? क्लास में बच्चों को बोलना चाहिए टीचिंग स्पीड में, राइट? और स्पीकिंग स्पीड, 2 ही इशू होते हैं, राइट? या तो स्पीकिंग स्पीड, नहीं तो टीचिंग स्पीड, ठीक है? बिकॉज एक बच्चे ने ये भी पॉइंट किया, सर आप बहुत फास्ट बोलते हो, तो आई ट्राई टू आइदर रिपीट और ट्राई टू स्पीक स्लोअर और टीचिंग स्पीड. सो जब भी अब खुद बताइए मैम, अगर मान लीजिए कोई टॉपिक समझ में नहीं आया, 2 मिनट में टॉपिक खत्म होता है, नहीं समझ में आया, बच्चा एक बार पूछ ले, दैट्स इट, दैट्स द सॉल्यूशन, दैट इज द सॉल्यूशन, है ना? ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि गाड़ी है भाग जा रही है, पता है पकड़ ही नहीं पा रहे हैं, ऐसा तो नहीं होता है. सो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन फ्रॉम माय साइड. ओके, राइट, दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन फ्रॉम माय साइड. नाउ अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, पोस्ट 20th जनवरी मैंने ऑलरेडी बच्चों से बात की है, we will be covering the topics that they feel weak in, है ना? राइट? हाँ, वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, राइट? समझ that I'm saying, right? We will be covering some important topics जो बच्चों को लग रहा है कि नहीं छूट गया है, राइट? जो नहीं हुआ है या जो थोड़ा सा अच्छे समझ में नहीं आया है. So from 20th of January till February, okay, we will be covering these topics. This is already conveyed to the students, right? ये already last week से ही हम लोग बच्चों को बता दिया गया है. Okay, so this is being done from our side, right? Okay, now if there's anything suggested by you, आपको अगर कोई अच्छा आइडिया है, सजेशन है, आप लोग बता दो. Okay, because honestly speaking, कोई भी अगर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेगा वो या तो बच्चा सॉल्व करेगा, नहीं तो हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे. That's it, right? That's it. We are the two stakeholders that will be solving the problem. Okay, अगर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं होता, you can either change the teacher, right, or change the coaching or change the school, but problem will persist, है ना? So बच्चों को बोलना है, this is humble request, right? कोई भी टॉपिक आए, please talk. That's it. Okay, okay, ma'am. I would request you to please call me, message me personally, so we can talk on this in detail. Okay, right? Anyone have any other query? So this is what we will be doing. Any other have any other query? Any other query? If not, then I guess it's time. Okay, ma'am, sir, anyone? Sneha, Ronak, Riya, Priyanka, Nidhi, Khushi, anyone? ये भी क्लास की तरह हो गया है. See, only 30 parents are present, right? So just think about it. Okay. Online and school classes, I'm not getting your point, ma'am. What is the difference between online and school classes? You can speak, ma'am. You can unmute and you can speak. Avanti and school classes. Okay, Avanti and school classes. Ma'am, that the student should say, na, right? हम लोग तो school class attend करते नहीं है कि नहीं? Right? So I guess ये better conversation होगा जब हम लोग साथ में आके बात करें, right? If anyone, there must be 2 teachers handling each subject, like one for 7th, 10th, and one for 11th, 12th. Okay. Sneha, just think about it, na. Like, this is something that we are doing from past 5 years. Okay, right? We're not very big coaching, na. एक ही school है, right? एक ही school है. We have to sustain. I think all of you agree that there's something financial, some finances kind of things, right? Okay. When you talk about one teacher who will be teaching 7th and 10th, right? The classes is only 6 to 10 hours, right? I cannot hire a teacher for 6 to 10 hours. That's a fact. That's a fact, right? You should be worried with कि तुमको दिक्कत हो रहा है, कहाँ दिक्कत, तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो रहा है कि नहीं, right? If your problem is not getting solved, then let us know. Okay, because I think that what teacher is doing is irrelevant, right? Okay, in every big coaching and any coaching, there are multiple batches. 5-6 batches होते हैं 11th के, 5-6 batches होते हैं 7th 8th के, right? That's why they have different teachers. The quality of different teachers also vary, right? But we have only one teacher because we have only one batch. ठीक है, एक ही स्कूल है, as simple as that. Okay, I guess no sir, no idea, but principal said that April for sure, April से start होना चाहिए. Okay, offline classes. March depends on the management and school authority, right? So I'm not in any position to say कि Feb से start होगा कि March से start होगा कि April से start होगा, but April से principal said कि April से तो हो जाना चाहिए. Okay, and you parents might know better than me, right? बहुत लोग शायद ज़्यादा जानते होंगे मुझसे, because what I get to know is from either students or principal sir. Okay, right? And please talk to us, parents. Please talk to us, right? This is something which I keep on saying. कोई भी issue है, please बात कीजिए. I'm just one call away. आशीष sir, अंजना मैम, one call away. That's it. आप यहाँ पे आके मिल लो, ठीक है? मिल लो आके, right? Just say कि हमें मिलना है, आके मिल लो. We stay in Vidyanagar itself, right? Take a time, morning में, evening में, आके मिल लो आप, क्या issues है, क्या नहीं issues है. Because issues बात करने से solve होता है, ठीक है? So I hope we will be having a one-to-one conversation moving on. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you. I guess we have taken lots of time and I've covered most of the queries, right? Queries, my bad, my English is not that good. Okay, so please drop a message. हम लोग को आप एक message drop कर दो, because we keep on taking classes from morning till night 10 o'clock. So it might be possible कि आप जब कॉल करो हम लोग ना उठाएं तो हम लोग एक बस मैसेज ड्रॉप कर दो, we'll call you back, right? In one day, in same day or just next day, we'll call you back. Okay, right? And the last thing for students, trust is something which is very important, right? Trust, टीचर पे ट्रस्ट सबसे important होता है किसी भी चीज के लिए. अगर आपको टीचर पे ट्रस्ट नहीं है, then I don't think that you can learn, right? Okay, that's one thing. आपको ट्रस्ट करना पड़ेगा कि टीचर आपके भले के लिए सोचता है. Okay, and you have to share your things. Okay, so thank you everyone. Thank you Ashish sir, right, for giving your time, right? If anyone have any doubt, please drop us a message. We will clear, right? We'll talk personally. Okay, thank you Ashish sir.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू एवरी स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू एवरी पेरेंट्स. एक लास्ट चीज बस रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, एक ही सेंटेंस है, 1 मिनट में नहीं होगा, डोंट वरी. अभी क्या हो रहा है कि ये ऑनलाइन क्लासेस की वजह से वी अंडरस्टैंड कि बच्चे चलो घर पे बैठ के बोर हो जाते हैं अलग अलग मेथड से. तो अभी वापस बच्चों ने कैमरा ऑफ करना शुरू कर दिया है. तो बस मैथ्स में मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगा कि एक बार आप उससे जब तक ऑफलाइन क्लास शुरू नहीं हो रहे हैं तब तक ऑन रखाइए, क्योंकि ऑन रखाने कैमरा ऑन रखने का मतलब ये है हम उन पे नजर रख रहे हैं कि वो क्लास के टाइम क्या कर रहे हैं क्या नहीं. दैट्स इट. एंड मैसेज अस पर्सनली, राइट? एक बार हमें सब मैसेज कर दीजिए जो भी आप बात करना चाहें. सो ये 1 वीक 2 वीक के अंदर हम सारी बात आपसे कर सकें. ओके, थैंक यू अगेन विष्णु सर, थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन.